The Lost Fairy Wing. Once upon a time, in the heart of an enchanted forest, lived a tiny fairy named Lila. Her wings shimmered like golden sunlight, sprinkled with silver sparkles. She loved to flutter among the flowers, sip nectar, and dance in the moonlight. One bright morning, Lila was flying over a bed of daisies when, flutter, flutter, she suddenly felt lighter on one side. She looked over her shoulder and gasped. "Oh no, my wing!" she cried. One of her beautiful glittering wings had vanished. Worried and a little wobbly, Lila landed gently on a mushroom. "How will I fly without my wing?" she whispered. But Lila was not the kind of fairy to give up easily. She decided to search for it. Her first stop was at the babbling brook, where Mr. Frog was humming a cheerful tune. "Mr. Frog, have you seen my wing?" asked Lila. Mr. Frog blinked. I saw something shiny drift downstream. Maybe that was it." Lila thanked him and hopped onto a lily pad to follow the trail. Next, she met Bella the bluebird, who was gathering twigs for her nest. "Bella, have you seen a glittery wing?" Lila asked. Bella tilted her head. "Oh, yes, I saw a squirrel carrying something sparkly toward the old oak tree." With Bella's directions, Lila made her way to the towering oak. At its roots, she found Sammy the squirrel polishing something in his tiny paws. "Sammy!" Lila called. "That's my wing!" Sammy's eyes grew wide. "Oh, I'm so sorry, Lila. I thought it was a fallen petal from the moonflower. I didn't know it belonged to you." He gently handed the wing back. The moment Lila touched it, a warm golden light wrapped around her. The wing floated into place, attaching itself as if it had never been gone. Lila fluttered both wings happily. "Thank you, Sammy. And thank you, all my forest friends." That evening, the forest celebrated with a moonlight dance. Lila twirled through the air, her glittering wings shining brighter than ever. She had learned that even when something precious is lost, kindness and friendship can help you find your way again. Moral: true friends will always help you find what you've lost, especially your courage.